Hey, this is Grant from Aircon Solutions. We're all about delivering a zoning temperature solution. And today we're just going to do a quick guide on how to go about setting up a wall sensor onto the myAir system. So what we need to do is just go into the setup page, tap on the advanced information, and down here we can see the RF system ID. So this is the addressing switch, so that we just need to replicate this onto anything that we're trying to address to the system. So what we need to we go onto the wall sensor, and it has the same 4-segment dip switches here. So we just need to go through and match them. So for this example, 1 and 2 are up, 1 and 2 is on, 3 is off, 4 is on. So we go through, 1 and 2 is on, 3 is off, 4 is on. Beautiful. So now we need to tell it what zone are we going to want it to control. So for example, I'm just going to move it. We'll engage this wall sensor onto the study zone. So we just go down and we just work out which zone it is, so zone number 6. And we just push across the dip switch for zone number 6 to on, and only just the one that we want to control. If you do any others, it will confuse the system and it won't actually register the temperature. So once that's done, we pull out the cardboard that enables the battery to connect, and then you'll find it will then the temperature will pop up on here, as you can see it does. That's registered that wall sensor is now working for zone number 6. If we were to put on have too many dip switches pushed across, for example 2, it will actually come up and it will drop away the temperature or come up an exclamation mark on the left hand side here. See, the temperature is now dropped away. It's now registered that there's an issue, and it's saying that after a while it'll register it and actually identify that there's a problem and give you a warning. So that's just how you set that up. It's just a simple way of adding wall sensors to it. I'd always advise, once you've set up the dip switches for the zone, that you just go through and label it. That way you cannot get confused. So for example, this one we set for study. So we just write study. Now now it's back on. I've only got the one dip switch activated. Feel free to like the page if you find this information helpful. Subscribe for further updates on videos that we're continuing to update our channel with. If you have any questions, comment below. If you want to get a hold of us, our number is 1300 966 464, or our website airconsolutions.com.au.